Hello beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited for this video. I partnered with SimplyBe to bring you guys a really fun spring and summer lookbook. It's very athleisure, very vintage inspired. I feel like, for example, this is like very Barbie 60s inspired. I love the mixes of velour with sweatpants and just different textures, but they still work together. And there's also some really nice fun colors in here. Just a really cool, I feel, different way of plus size clothing right now, because a lot of other fast fashion brands are doing like a lot of the same things, but SimplyBe is going in a different direction, and I really like it. And everything is made really well, and I have a coupon code for you guys, so all that information will be down below. But if you're interested in seeing how everything looks, keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Bye.
Just stay one more night.
So this particular set I really like. I love these sweats. They're definitely my style. I love sweats that are very tapered and give you a really nice silhouette. I also love this stretchy band here with the lace-up detail. I love that so much, but they're still thick and comfortable, but not like leggings where they just won't give you any support. These give you a nice shape, a nice silhouette. They also go all the way tapered to the ankle, so they have a very nice straight fit at the ankle. But I'm definitely going to be wearing these sweats a lot. I love the pockets. And then this crop top I absolutely love. So this is the kind of crop top that fits kind of low or long in the torso if you have a short torso like me, and it gives you a lot of coverage. So it's basically just like a short t-shirt, but if you are taller, it will fit more as a crop top. The material is so nice and soft and stretchy. It's breathable. It's great for the spring and summer, and you can get more or less coverage depending on how, you know, crazy you want to get. And I love how these pieces really work together. So this outfit to me is like that perfect athleisure look. I am loving it.
Let's not pretend our hearts have life again. Just stay one more night. I'll be by your side. Just stay. Just stay. Let's not pretend.
So this outfit I absolutely love. I think this is so 4th of July. Like, I could see myself at a 4th of July party or on a boat or at the beach, the pool, wearing this. It is so freaking cute, so 70s inspired, 60s, 70s inspired, with these little like lifeguard shorts that I feel are so almost menswear inspired. Like, these are very what I feel men were wearing at the beach in the 60s and 70s, and I love that. I love the line here, the scalloped look of it. They're so comfortable, and even though I'm pretty big and I normally wouldn't wear shorts these short, I definitely would wear these at the beach or the pool and feel really cute in them. I just think that they are so comfortable and cute and sassy. They just, I don't know, they fit really nicely on a big body, and they go high up. They have really just so much stretch. I love these. Everything is really good quality. The garments themselves feel a lot higher quality than most, you know, like fast fashion. This stuff feels really good quality, like it's really especially made for plus size bodies. And then this top, can we say enough about this amazing crop top? I did pull my bra straps down just so they wouldn't show here, but isn't this shape so cool? I love that you get that peekaboo there, and I think this shape here is just, that cutout is so cool. And then you get this turtleneck, but because it's so breathable, I feel like I could wear this in the summer. And then who doesn't love these trumpet sleeves? They're so flattering, so pretty. They make your arms look so long, and just, oh my god, they're gorgeous. I just think this outfit is so cute together. I love this top so much. It's stretchy, you just pull it right over your head, and if you do get hot, you know, you can always do this, so you do have like a lot of skin showing still, and it is a crop top. I love it so much. It is on the shorter side, so like you can see for me, it gets like right under the boob, but I love this crop top so much. I cannot wait to wear this. I love this outfit. I feel like retro Barbie lifeguard. Let me save you. Do you need mouth to mouth?
We found a way into the grace again. Let's not pretend our hearts have life again. Just stay one more night. I'll be by your side. Just stay. Just stay. Let's not pretend.
So this outfit right here is another athleisure look. I just paired these two together because this is a sweatshirt and this one is pants, and they're both white, so I just thought they looked cute together. But I love these pants so much. They're so cute, and I'm really surprised how comfortable they fit, how true to size they fit. I still have a ton of space, so this really is a true to size. I think these are like a 22, and they actually have a lot of room, so I would even try a 20. I would size down, but these are really comfortable. Look at all this stretch you get. I think these are the perfect like beachy pants, or like walk up and down the beach. I think these are so comfortable, or just to take on your honeymoon or vacation. Like, how cute is this? And you get that flowiness on both sides. They're super cute, the perfect length. I'm wearing them with heels right now, and they are the perfect length on me, so I just love them so much. And then this sweatshirt is so cool. It's a crop sweatshirt, but I love the color, how crisp white it is, and I love the stripes here. And then this, you can actually tighten the hoodie or loosen it. You can tie it into a bow, and it has a hood. I just love these pieces. I'm really impressed, and like I said, they both fit very true to size.
Found our way again. We found our way again. We found our way. A new place.
Okay, so I paired these two together just because they were in the same color family and they both have the same material. These two are both like that velour tracksuit material, which is so cute because you know the 2000s are coming back, and the velour tracksuit is making a comeback in different ways. So for example, this right here is tapered at the elbow, so it just gives it like a different vibe. I love this color and the material. It is on the heavier side. I think you could get away with it in the spring if you were wearing like denim shorts just to cancel out the heat, because you know how big girls, we get sweaty real quick. But the sweatpants I like a lot. The sweats are definitely really cute. I love this color. It's like a fuchsia color. It's looking a little bit darker on camera, but it's definitely a little bit more bright in real life. These are very like wide at the bottom. They're not tapered, so they have like a little bit of a bell bottom style, which is also really in right now, but they're tapered all the way everywhere else. So I definitely think these are so cute, and they made my butt look cute. Hey. This is a different look for me, but I'm feeling it. I like this color too. It's like peachy. So this blue dress I filmed before I decided to talk as I was wearing the pieces. So I just think it made filming so much easier. So you guys let me know what you think about it. But this piece is just like this flowy dress. I particularly don't like this style on my body just because I like showing my curves, because anything that doesn't show my waist makes me look so much bigger because my hips are the biggest part of my body. So I think this would be really cute with a belt around the waist. I didn't have one to put on, but I think it would have looked really cute. Maybe like a Gucci belt on the waist. That would probably make a really cute outfit. But I think this is a really great dress for someone who just really doesn't want any mess, any fuss with, you know, straps or being uncomfortable. It's just like the most flowy, comfortable dress ever. So this outfit I love so much. I think this might be my second favorite to the red and blue. First of all, I mean, obviously the colors, but I just love this vintage 60s Barbie look. This is a bodysuit. I just have it tucked into the pants because, you know, I'm lazy. But it does button, so it makes it a little bit easier. I love this bodysuit so much. So this actually is super stretchy, which is so cool. And it actually stays off the shoulder. You don't have to worry about that. It's going to keep coming up. Look, it stays off the shoulder. Hallelujah. Because if you like off the shoulder tops like I do, you know that them shits always go up. And you'd be like, aren't you off the shoulder? So I love that this actually stays off the shoulder. And I love this little sweatshirt skirt. It's actually super cute. And I mean, it's short because I have a big booty. So it's a little on the short side, but not so short that I wouldn't wear it. I love this look together with heels. Oh my God. Super cute, or with sneakers would just make such a cute spring, summer look. Oh my God, I feel like a sporty mermaid. That's what it feels like. This is such a cute look. Everything is super stretchy. This is, like I said, a stretchy kind of gray sweatpant material. And then on the side it has that banner that the sweatpants had as well. And it also says love. So everything kind of goes together. I love this look. So cute. I can't say enough good things about these items. I was really impressed. Like I said, everything feels like really good quality, and everything has like a made for bigger bodies feel. It doesn't just feel like, oh, it's the same as a size 2 but just bigger. No, these feel like plus size bodies were in mind. Everything fits true to size, and I'm really impressed with the quality, like I said. So everything will be linked down below. SimplyBe, thank you for sponsoring this video. Their info will be down below, as well as a coupon code for you guys, which I'll put right here and down below. Find them down below. Follow them on Instagram for a lot of inspiration for spring and summer. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Don't forget to stay glam. Mwah. Bye.